how to find language settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and now click on your profile in the top corner and then click this settings here icon, and now just search for app language, and here you will find the language settings in Truecaller, and that's it. And I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.